Okay, so in this post, I'm going to be looking at how to make money with Buy Me a Coffee, a complete guide to monetize your content using the platform Buy Me a Coffee. And so, in introduction, I want us to understand that we're going to be looking at how to make money as a content creator. Learn how to use Buy Me a Coffee to monetize your YouTube or social media channel effectively, and key strategies to grow your income and connect with your audience. So, in order to get started, I'm going to be showing you how to register on Buy Me a Coffee. Okay, so in order to create an account with Buy Me a Coffee, you simply go to buymeacoffee.com/sign up. So once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page. On the page, you click the name you want. So it could be the name of your YouTube channel, or it could be the name of anything you think or have thought about. So for me, I would just say buymeacoffee.com/fundmats. Okay, so I'll click on sign up. So if you have a Gmail account, you simply use a Gmail account, or you can take the alternative of inputting your email and password. So let me continue with Google, and then I'll use one of my Gmail, and I'll just click on continue. So once you've come to this place, you just give it a name. So if you like, you can say, just put a name. So for me, I just put Fundmats, and then give a description. Okay, let me just include the website, HTTPS. So I love talking about mathematics. Then I say I must upload a profile picture. Let me just look for an image and upload. Okay. And so once you're done with that, you click on next. Okay, I think I made a mistake in the URL link. So then you click on next. Then you choose your country, whichever country it is you're based in. Go ahead and put in your bank info, but for the sake of this video, I'll skip this step. That's it. So in order to get a link to your page, so you click on these three dashes on the right hand side of your screen, and then you go to dashboard. So when you get to dashboard, you see the share button. You click on it and you can copy the link. So if you like, you want to get a QR code, you click on get my QR code. So wherever you send that link to, whoever clicks on that link and makes a payment, you're going to earn from it. But understand that you must have completed the setup for receiving payouts. If you've not completed setup for receiving payouts, then you can't receive money from Buy Me a Coffee. So this is a simple way for you to earn or to create a link or an account with Buy Me a Coffee. So in the course of this video, we're going to be learning monetization strategies, and in the presentation, I will show you how you can offer exclusive content, how to develop membership plans, how you can sell digital products, how to crowdfund for projects, and how to encourage one-time donations. All these using Buy Me a Coffee. I want to talk about strategy one, which is to offer exclusive content. We should understand that exclusive content make fans feel special. It creates a sense of community and encourages followers to become paying supporters. And so when we talk about exclusive content, what do we mean by that? It includes private content, early access, behind the scenes, special Q&A sections. And when you want to decide to offer exclusive content, you should understand that you need to decide what you want to share. Is it an early release YouTube video? Is it a members only podcast, or an exclusive tutorials or tips? And you need to know how to set up content restrictions, and that's why Buy Me a Coffee is very important, because it can help you limit access to specific content. So you can have the opportunity of marking certain posts as supporters only, or you just send private links to members. And so exclusive content helps you to promote exclusive perks so that you can announce the availability of that content on different public platforms. You could also offer teaser content. It could be a 30-second video clips to entice fans to subscribe for full access. So when we're talking about ideas for exclusive content, they include videos, podcasts, articles released 2 to 3 days before the public availability. And that is when we talk about type of content, which is early access. You can also have behind the scenes, where you share the raw footage or your editing tips for your creative workflow. It can also be for tutorials and workshop, where you teach a specific skills or process. And then you have an exclusive live stream where you host private Q&A sections or even personalized shout outs. So these are some of the exclusive content you can offer using Buy Me a Coffee. So it's something that you should look forward to. Strategy 2, I want to talk about membership plans. And the question is, why set up a membership plan? You should understand that membership plans helps to create steady income stream for content creators. And so fans who are willing to support creators they admire get in exchange special perks. So this helps to build a stronger, more engaged community of loyal supporters. So there are key steps in order to build a membership plan. One, you need to define the membership levels. So you can create 2 to 3 tiers to cater for different groups. Example, it could be basic, premium, VIP. You could name it or give it its own name. So your naming should be meaningful to each tier. So, for example, you could have a supporter, it could be a champion, it could be insider. Just give meaningful names that are attractive. And then you need to determine the benefit for each of these tier. So, for example, the basic tier could be like $5 per month, and this will grant them early access to videos or blog posts or behind the scene updates. I'm just giving an example. Then you have the mid-level tier for $15 per month, and this will grant them access to exclusive live stream or QA sections, that's question and answer sections, and it will also involve personalized shout out in your content. Then you can now have the premium tier, which could be about $50 per month. And so here is an example of a membership plan for creators. You can see the tiers. You have the first group, which is supporter, the second insider, the third super fan, and you can see the different monthly price and the perks offered. This is how you can create a membership plan for creators. You just look at it so I can give you an idea and you build on that. So in strategy 3, we're going to talk about selling digital products. So why should you sell a digital product? One, they are easy to create. So they provide massive income streams once created. And it helps your audience to value your expertise because you're offering products that addresses their needs. And so this helps to create trust and additional revenues. So when we talk about digital products, we're talking about ebooks where you can share your knowledge in a structured format. It could be 10 steps to master specific skill. You have templates that offer tools like you could have social media post templates, resumes, design assets. Then you have guides as digital products where you provide step-by-step instructions or how-to resources to specific problems in your particular niche. You also have courses which include pre-recorded videos or interactive lessons that helps where you teach valuable skills. Then you have printables where you can generate downloadable designs for planners, worksheets, or artwork. So when you want to sell it, or how do you sell digital products? When you need to identify your audience needs, you could conduct a poll or ask your audience what they like to learn or use. You can do this on YouTube. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can offer Canva templates or logo guides. You can create high quality products using platforms like Canva, Google Docs. Ensure that your product is actually visually appealing and easy to use. So now talking about Buy Me a Coffee, where does it come in? You can use Buy Me a Coffee to host your digital products. So you upload your digital products directly to your Buy Me a Coffee page, and then you can use the platform extras features to set up a digital download. So when we talk about this, in selling your digital products, you need to promote it. You could share teasers on social media. You could also run an ad. When you share teasers, ensure you create a call to action linking directly to your products page. So in essence, as I've said before, that digital products include ebook templates, guides, courses, and printables. So what are the benefits of selling digital products? One of them is you have a low overhead cost, no inventory, shipping, or storage is required. It's a means of passive income, and it is customizable. So in order for you to succeed, ensure you focus on your niche. Try to keep it as simple as possible. You can offer a bundle option to increase the perceived value of your particular products, add testimonials. So these are the means in which you can actually go ahead to sell digital products. So in strategy 4, we look at how to crowdfund projects. First, before I continue, we need to understand why we need to crowdfund projects. Crowdfunding allows creators to raise money for a specific goal while engaging the community in the process. It helps to build deeper connections with supporters that feel personally invested in your success. And it's also a perfect means to fund creative ventures such as new equipment or large-scale projects. And so when we talk about crowdfunding, is when the creator asks their audience to contribute funds towards a particular project or initiative. Contributors often receive rewards or recognition in return. So when we talk about examples of crowdfunded projects, we have new equipment, such as maybe you want to fundraise for a high quality camera. You have creative projects where you want to produce a new album, a short film or book. You have community initiatives where you want to organize charity events or workshops for your audience, and then probably want to expand the scope of your business. So you want to launch a new website, podcast, or content series. And then also for educational resources, for example, you want to create online courses, tutorials, or ebooks for your followers. So when you want to crowdfund for a particular project, in order to be successful, number one, you need to define your goals. Be clear about what you want to raise the money for. For example, you want to raise $1,000 to upgrade your podcasting equipment. Then you have to set up a campaign, and this is where Buy Me a Coffee can come in. So where you can set up the donation features to collect the funds, but ensure that you provide detailed description of your project with a clear funding goal and a deadline. In making it successful, also you can key into offering rewards or recognitions so that you can give back to your supporters in meaningful ways. For example, it could be a public shout out, a public thank you on social media. You'll be connecting them to exclusive content or offering them custom perks like a signed merchandise. And in order for also your promotion to be successful, you need to promote your campaign. You can use other platforms apart from YouTube. You can use Instagram, TikTok to share updates and encourage contributions, and also create a sense of urgency by emphasizing deadlines and milestones. In this process, also engage and update your supporters. Share photos, videos, or updates on how the funds are being used. Share a story. People are actually very connected to stories. Make it personal. Make the goals realistic. Set milestones and call upon your community. And when you do this, definitely you'll see yourself succeeding. Okay, so in strategy 5, we talked about encouraging one-time donations. Why encourage one-time donations? It's a simple and accessible way for fans to show appreciation without any long-time commitment, and it's ideal for creators who offer free content or those just starting to monetize their audience. So it provides a quick, low-pressure way for your supporters to contribute to your cause. And so, what are one-time donations? It's simply one-time contribution from fans as a token of appreciation for the content of value you provide. So fans can buy you a coffee or more to support your work without subscribing or committing to memberships. So how can you encourage one-time donations? One is for you to add a donation link to your content. So you can place your buy me a coffee link in your video descriptions, social media bios, or blog posts. Example of what you could say is, if you enjoy my content, consider buying me a coffee to keep me going. So also when asking for one-time donations, you could do this directly and authentically. You should use natural, non-pushy language when asking for support. Example, you could say, creating this content takes time and effort. If you like to support me, you can buy me a coffee. It really helps. So one other key thing is that you should learn to show gratitude. I think I've said it in other strategies. Publicly thank donors on your platform with their permission to encourage others to donate. Example, thank you for your support. It means so much for me. So also, in order to promote your one-time donation, also endeavor to use CTAs, use graphics or animations in your videos or posts to highlight the donation option. So, for example, you can add a clickable buy me a coffee button at the end of your YouTube video or Instagram stories. Also, another key thing for you to be successful is for you to be transparent about how the donation supports your work. For example, you could say every coffee you buy goes towards better equipment, more content, and staying caffeinated while I create. So, what are some examples of donation scenarios? One, so let's say after a tutorial guide, you can say, if this guide has helped you, feel free to buy me a coffee. During the live stream, you can say, if you're enjoying the stream, you can support me with a one-time donation. Following new content release, you say, if you love the video, a coffee helps me keep creating more. And after you've reached the milestone, you can say, thank you for 10K subscribers, celebrate with me by donating. So these are different means for you to do a one-time donation. For to be successful, be genuine, understand that the donation should go to a specific goal. You can offer a small reward, provide a token of appreciation, a shout out, a personalized thank you mail. Use visual storytelling, show how previous donations have helped you improve your content to achieve a particular goal, and then you can promote across platforms. Share by sharing your buy me a coffee link regularly across all your platforms. So this is it. Okay, so in conclusion, I just want to advise that we monetize our content with flexibility. So we need to consider flexibility, and we need to understand that Buy Me a Coffee offers various ways to earn money, which includes membership, exclusive content, and one-time donation. So I'll advise you start today and explore these strategies to see how you can grow your income as a new YouTuber, or even if you have already been YouTubing for a long period of time. And so I want you to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it useful. You can also subscribe for more tips on how to monetize your content, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions concerning your experience with Buy Me a Coffee. So thank you for watching. Follow us on our channel and watch more tutorials. Thank you.